Dear aspirants, continuing this RRB NTPC GKGS question series, we are here again with 40 more questions in our set 7 of 20. Following the GKGS syllabus, each day we are covering a set of questions which will be important for the upcoming exam. So without delay, let's start. The first question. The Three Georges Dam is located on which river? Yellow River, Mekong, Yangtze, Amur. The answer is Yangtze. Who introduced the Mansabdari system in India? Babur, Akbar, Humayun, Shah Jahan. Answer is Akbar. Which river crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice in India? Narmada, Mahi, Godavari, Tapi. Answer is Mahi. Duncan Passage lies between Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep and Maldives, Minicoy and Maldives, Sri Lanka and Andaman. The answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The ninth schedule was added to the constitution by which amendment? First, fourth, ninth, 10th. Answer is first. Who is known as the father of Indian planning? Jawaharlal Nehru, M. Visheshwaraya, Mahalanobis, Dadabhai Naoroji. Answer is M. Visheshwaraya. Which of the following is not part of the basic structure of the Constitution? Judicial review, parliamentary system, president's rule, secularism. Answer is president's rule. Which element is used in the nuclear fission in power plants? Thorium, uranium 235, plutonium 239, deuterium. Answer is uranium 235. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum is used in remote controls? X-rays, microwaves, infrared, ultraviolet. Answer is infrared. In a vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same options: wavelength, amplitude, speed, frequency. Answer is speed. The famous Bhakti saint Ramananda was a disciple of Ramanuja, Kabir, Vallabhacharya, Shankaracharya. Ramanuja is the answer. Which mountain range forms the eastern boundary of the Deccan Plateau? Aravalli, Satpura, Eastern Ghat, Vindhya. Answer is Eastern Ghat. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions the duties of the Prime Minister? Article 74, Article 75, Article 78, Article 80. Answer is Article 78. The power of judicial review in India is possessed by Supreme Court only, High Court only, both Supreme Court and High Court, President. Answer is both Supreme Court and High Court. Balance of payment BOP includes only visible trade, only invisible trade, both current and capital account transactions, only imports and exports. Answer is both current and capital account transactions. Which of the following is a transfer payment? Salaries, subsidies, profits, rent. Answer is subsidies. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature? Cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata. Answer is hypothalamus. Which of the following is the functional unit of the kidney? Neuron, alveoli, nephron, nephridia. Answer is nephron. Which country becomes the first to criminalize AI generated child abuse content? United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. Answer is United Kingdom. Where has India's first hydrogen fueling station been set up? Leh, Srinagar, Dehradun, Manali. Answer is Leh. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertransfer Text Protocol, Hyperterminal Text Protocol, High Transfer Text Protocol. Answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which of the following is not a programming language? Python, Java, HTML, Oracle. Answer is Oracle. Which memory is non-volatile and permanent in nature? RAM, ROM, flash memory, registers. Answer is ROM. Which gas is released when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane. Answer is carbon dioxide. The capital of Kushan Empire was Patliputra, Mathura, Takshila, Ujjain. Answer is Mathura. The Champaran Satyagraha was started in the year 1915, 1917, 1920, 1922. Answer is 1917. The term El Nino is associated with which ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Which mountain range is known as the Water Tower of Asia? Andes, Himalayas, Rockies, Alps. Answer is Himalayas. Which soil type is most suitable for tea cultivation? Black soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil, red soil. Answer is laterite soil. Which indicator is used to measure Human Development Index (HDI)? Literacy, health, per capita income, GDP, life expectancy, education, literacy, GDP, employment rate, inflation, unemployment, poverty. Answer is literacy, health, per capita income. The maximum gap between two sessions of parliament cannot be more than 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year. Answer is 6 months. Which of the following does not contain a coordinate covalent bond? Ammonium ion, hydronium ion, ozone, methane. Answer is methane. Which compound is used in antiperspirants and water purification? Sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminum chloride, zinc oxide. Answer is aluminum chloride. Who won the Men's Ballon d'Or award in 2024? Lionel Messi, Erling Haaland, Rodri, Kylian Mbappe. Answer is Rodri. First Joint Commanders Conference held in which city? New Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, Chennai. Answer is Lucknow. Which country hosted 46th UNESCO World Heritage Committee session? India, UK, France, Switzerland. Answer is India. Which type of virus is specifically designed to spread via USB drives? Worm, rootkit, Trojan, shortcut virus. Answer is shortcut virus. The 103rd Constitutional Amendment provides for GST, right to education, 10% EWS reservation, cooperative societies. Answer is 10% EWS reservation. Which of the following is a glacial lake? Chilika, Dal Lake, Sambal Lake, Pulicat Lake. Answer is Dal Lake. So aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. Don't forget to comment what was your score in this set. See you in the next video. Thank you.